in harmony with yourself. Being in harmony with yourself means your thoughts, feelings, actions, and values work together instead of clashing. When you're in this state, inner tension fades and you feel whole, calm, and confident. What does being true to yourself mean? You know who you are and what you want. You live by your own beliefs, not to please others. You don't betray yourself for convenience, fear, or approval. You act with awareness, not just out of habit. You accept your emotions, weaknesses, and past without rejecting them. How to make peace with yourself. 1. Get to know yourself honestly. Ask yourself, what really matters to me? What actions would I never forgive myself for? Where am I pretending? Keep a diary. Write freely without judging or editing your thoughts. 2. Separate what's yours from what's imposed. Do you want this for yourself or because parents, society, or fear push you? Example, do you run a business because you love it or because it's what's expected? 3. Learn to say no. Saying yes just to avoid rejection means betraying yourself. Practice healthy boundaries. Respect your needs and desires. 4. Don't hide your feelings. Allow yourself to feel anger, fear, sadness, or joy. Being honest with yourself is the base of inner harmony. 5. Resolve inner conflicts. The clash between I want and I have to is draining. Either choose I have to consciously or follow I want and accept the consequences. 6. Live by your values. Identify 3 to 5 key values, for example, freedom, care, growth. Check, how much does your current life match them? 7. Make your own decisions. Don't let others decide for you. Taking responsibility leads to maturity and peace. 8. Stop comparing yourself to others. Your life path is unique. Comparisons devalue it. Practical exercises. Exercise 1. What am I really feeling? Goal. Notice and accept your real emotions. 1. Pause and ask, what am I feeling right now? Not fine, but tired, anxious, happy, empty. What caused it? How do I usually avoid this feeling? 2. Write freely. I'm angry because. I'm afraid because. I'm happy because. Exercise 2. My real goals. Goal. Separate your own goals from imposed ones. Write, what do I truly want from life? If no one judged me, what would I do? Which goals are only for recognition, fear, or money? Exercise 3. My values. Goal. Find your core values and see if you live by them. Choose 3 to 5 from freedom, family, growth, confidence, honesty, beauty, safety, helping others, success, peace, recognition, love. Write, why is this important to me? How do I live it now? Where do I ignore it? Exercise 4. What I won't tolerate anymore. Goal. Identify boundaries. List 5 to 10 things you refuse to accept. For example, lies, criticism, meaningless work. Then ask, what can I do to reduce this? Where do I allow it to happen? Exercise 5. My inner conflict. Goal. Find where you're not in harmony. Use, I want to, but I do. I say, but I feel. I dream of, but I fear. Ask, why am I not doing what I want? What's stopping me? What can I change? Exercise 6. Dialogue with myself. Goal. Build a connection with your inner self. Write as if talking to your best friend. How are you feeling? I feel because. What do you need right now? I'm here for you.